destroy us. But our God of integrity is definitely going to destroy us. Hallelujah. Truly, we've got God's back against the victory, you know, or peace here. And God died, the purpose of what you said, you need to swap, the wapping. The God who walks through days that is to come, reigns supreme, His glory on flesh like a banner, His priceless, not of points, but crystal clear. His splendor is going to be and be pictures like boots. Ancient God, the God of goodness and might, salvation now more in darkest night. You through Moses led your people to the land of peace. You are the God of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Miracle, not the time. You are the God of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Miracle, not the time. You've been a keeper, a provider, and a way maker to our fathers and to us. And so we say, Lord, you are great, and where is your great? Yeshua HaMashiach, God our Messiah, we exalt your name, our King. God of awesome wonders, your mighty deeds, inspire our heart and our praise. You are born, the mighty one, your story to power and majesty transcends our understanding. Rivers of living water, you are the fountain that flows on dry, and there is nothing like your presence. It's more than gold. Ibo, Iba, Ibo, Iba, Ibo, Iba. Blessed art thou, Son of David. You are eminently glorious, marvelously beautiful. My words are not enough to express my praise and worship, so I turn into the wilderness. Lord, there is none like you. Elohim, eternal one, you will never change. So we join the 24 elders in casting our crowns, lifting hands, bowing down, calling you Adonai, our God. Oh, man, our good God. Your name is a strong tower, and to you belong all power. My daddy, your baby is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of the eternity. Who you know? So strange.